Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Alankaar Beauty is in your eyes. If you are new to my channel or you have still not subscribed it, then please do consider subscribing. Also hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification of all my latest videos. If you want to stay connected with me, then you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is given in the description box. Today we are going to make these cute little aroma candles at our home, and that too again with a waste product available at our home. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope you all have enjoyed it. If yes, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay connected with Alankaar.